Hi, so I'm a complete amateur when it comes to bicycle maintenance. So recently I've unfortunately damaged my small chainring, so I'm just trying to replace it. However, I didn't realize that the diameter or location of the holes is actually critical as well. So I just counted the number of teeth and ordered a part online. However, as you can see, the holes don't line up. So I've just basically now learnt that there's actually what is a bolt circle diameter, which is actually how far away the circle is from the center. So if you're ordering replacement chain rings, take notice. So I didn't realize this. So hopefully you won't be as silly as me and make the same mistake. So I actually ended up going to my local bicycle shop, and the FSA, they actually have a nice packaging whereby if you actually place one of your holes of your existing chainring here, where you can actually then use this to work out the actual bolt circle diameter. So I suggest you using one of these similar charts, or I guess measuring your existing chainring before you make any order or purchase.